Freshness redefined, exploring the cutting edge of herb preservation methods in a world where the freshness of your herbs can make or break the culinary experience. Traditional drying methods often fall short, leaving much to be desired in terms of flavor and aroma. But what if there was a way to preserve your herbs that not only maintained but enhanced their natural qualities? Welcome to the age of modern herb preservation, where innovative techniques are revolutionizing how we store our green treasures. The limitations of tradition, where drying falls short. For centuries, drying has been the cornerstone of herb preservation. While effective in extending shelf life, this method has its drawbacks, notably in the degradation of flavor, aroma, and nutritional value. The delicate oils that give herbs their essence are often lost in the drying process, leading to a less vibrant culinary addition. The dawn of modern preservation, the quest for retaining the freshness and potency of herbs has led to the development of modern preservation techniques that challenge the status quo. From vacuum sealing to freeze drying and beyond, these methods offer exciting possibilities for chefs, herbalists, and home cooks alike. Vacuum sealing stands out for its ability to extend the shelf life of herbs without sacrificing quality. By removing air from the equation, vacuum-sealed herbs remain vibrant and full of flavor, ready to elevate any dish at a moment's notice. Freeze drying, the future of flavor preservation. Freeze drying, a game-changer in herb preservation, retains nearly all the nutritional value and aroma of fresh herbs. This method involves freezing the herbs and then reducing the surrounding pressure to remove moisture through sublimation. The result? Lightweight, long-lasting herbs that rehydrate quickly, offering a taste indistinguishable from their fresh counterparts. Refrigeration innovations beyond the produce drawer. Modern refrigeration techniques, such as specialized herb keepers, offer a tailored environment for herb storage, balancing humidity and temperature to keep herbs fresh for weeks. These innovations challenge the notion that the refrigerator's produce drawer is the best place for herb storage. The role of innovative containers, a new era of storage. Amidst these advanced preservation methods, the role of storage containers cannot be overstated. Innovative containers designed with herb preservation in mind, such as those with built-in humidity control or air filtration systems, are pivotal in extending the life and quality of your herbs. Herb preservation in culinary arts, elevating the dining experience. In the culinary world, the impact of these modern preservation techniques is profound. Chefs can now access a broader palette of flavor, using preserved herbs to infuse dishes with the essence of freshness. Regardless of the season, this ability to capture and maintain the integrity of herb flavors is transforming menus and dining experiences worldwide. Do-it-yourself herb preservation, empowering home cooks. For the home cook, these modern methods demystify the process of herb preservation, making it accessible and practical for daily use. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can preserve their garden's bounty, ensuring a year-round supply of vibrant flavors. Embracing the future of herb preservation. As we continue to explore and embrace these modern herb preservation techniques, the boundaries of culinary creativity expands. The future of herb preservation is not just about extending shelf life, but about capturing the very essence of herbs in a way that enriches our meals and our lives. Take the next step in herb preservation, ready to revolutionize your cooking with preserved herbs that maintain their garden-fresh flavor. Explore the world of modern herb preservation and discover how these techniques can elevate your culinary creations, from innovative storage solutions to advanced preservation methods. The future of freshness is at your fingertips. Embrace the modern methods of herb preservation and experience the difference in your culinary endeavors. Let's move beyond drying and unlock the full potential of our herbs together. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn Hatfield.